Hi guys, good morning. I welcome you all to Edistar review session. How are you guys? Yes, I hope you are doing good. Now we are seeing part 3 review content. I really wondered about your great work in this crucial time. Even though I have noticed some of you, not all, okay? Some of you still you need to improve your handwriting. Please guys, check yourself and take an action to improve your handwriting because you are all having a great time to improve that skill. Yes guys, can you get it my point? Yes. Okay, let's move forward to classwork part. Today we are seeing chapter 4 materials, metals and non-metals. Already we have discussed a lot about this. And even though I will recall some points for you. Materials, that means what? Which has mass, and objects which has mass and which occupies space is called what? Materials. That materials further categorized into metals and non-metals according to their physical and chemical properties as well. Is it so? Yes. I hope you are all remembering that points nicely. Okay? Yes. Let's move forward to classwork content part. Here I have given some content in the slides. Please pause the slide wherever you record and start to write classwork. Okay? Take a fresh page and write the headings with bold letters and mention the date. And important one thing, differentiate the important things by using bold black letters. That will help for your reading. Let's move forward to homework part. Guys, you should read the chapter 4 once and get sign from your parents. Don't forget, get sign from your parents. And that page also you have to attach in the given email ID. Okay? I hope you will do because reading makes you better guys. So only I am giving as much important for reading practice. If you are all well in reading, yourself you get instinction to learn the things and your brain automatically store or catch those things easily. So only I am saying again and again, please have a reading practice. Guys, don't forget to read the content once and do the book back exercise. You can do the one word answer in the book even. Okay? And write the 9th, 10th and 11th question in your homework note once. Only one time is enough. Okay guys? The 3 questions you have to do in your homework note. 9th, 10th and 11th. Okay? The remaining things, the remaining book back exercise, you can do it in book even by using pencil, but in a neat manner. Don't forget. Okay? And see the book exercise. The first one is what? One word. Okay? Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? The property of malleabilityness is given. Okay? So the option they given zinc, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen. Listen guys, zinc is a hard metal. The remaining 3 are comes under the non-metals category. Phosphorus, sulfur, oxygen. They are comes under the non-metals category. So the non-metals node has the property of malleabilityness. So what will be the answer? Which one we can beaten into thin sheets? Malleability, the property is nature is what? We can beaten into thin sheets. So which one we can beaten into thin sheets? Yes, guess it and mark the answer. Okay? And see the second one. Which of the following statement is correct? Ductile. Ductile, that means what? The property of metals which can drawn into a thin wire. Is it so? Yes. Here they mention all metals are ductile. No, guys. Yes. Some exceptional cases also is there in metal category. So, all the non-metals are ductile. They given us an all the non-metals. Non-metals not has the property of ductility. So, what will be the answer? Guess it, guys. Okay, like that you have to think and answer. Okay, do it the remaining things. After finish your work, take a photocopy and attach to the given email ID edustar@8.gmail.com. Okay. Thank you guys. Be safe. Stay at home. We will meet soon.